Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have never been here, welcome and hope you stay a while. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you do subscribe and you want to see more videos, don't forget to hit the little bell. It'll let you know when I post videos. Right now, while I'm not working, my goal is to get Monday through Friday a new video. When I do start working, which I have 2 interviews coming up next week and I'm kind of excited about them actually. One is for an insurance company and one is for a car company. So yeah, interesting. Neither one I've ever done, but they both seem really excited to meet with me and they liked my resume, so they found me on Indeed and called me. So yeah, I think I'm actually kind of interested in both of these. They both offer some benefits that I wasn't getting before, and so yeah, it's kind of exciting to kind of leap and not know exactly what you're leaping into. Hopefully it's something good. Hopefully it comes out to be exactly what we need and we can get something out of it. Beneficially for both the company and myself, whichever one I tend to, if either one of them likes me. If not, then I'm still on the hunt and that's okay too. So I want to tell you something. Are you excited? Are you ready? It snowed. Look at it. We did not get very much accumulation, but we did get some. There was enough apparently in the county someplace that our kids did have a 2-hour delay. I'm not sure exactly what part of the county. We're in the northern part, but that's okay. I got some and I love snow, so that's okay. As long as I don't have to drive in it, I absolutely love snow. The fact that I get to sit at home with my window curtains open and watch both my fire burn and watch it snow out the window at the same time, I mean, that is like ideally perfect conditions. I really love doing that, and my hubby is really good at keeping my fire going so I don't freeze. You know, because that would be bad considering that's our only heat source. But anywho, I am thinking, if you're interested, leave me a comment down below and let me know. There's a couple questions I'll be asking you through this video. Make sure you just leave a comment down below, and like I said, if you are new, subscribe so you can keep up to date with all the videos that I'll be putting out. The first question is, I am thinking about possibly doing some more vlogging videos. If that's something you would be interested in seeing some of, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do some vlogs. I'm leaning more towards the vlogs actually, as opposed to the how-tos. There's only so many how-tos you can do. I will still do some how-tos and educationally type videos like that, because I mean, that's who I am. I like doing that kind of stuff, especially crafts. If it's crafty, it's like, it's me. That's what I like doing. So yeah, just let me know in the comments below and I will be happy to get some of those done up for you. So like I mentioned in a previous video, we have some very exciting news happening in about a year, and it's honestly all I can think about, and I want to tell you guys so bad because I feel that you would really get a kick out of it. You would enjoy it and everything, but I can't. My husband and I made a promise to each other we wouldn't say anything because of fear of jinxing it, and with the way our lives have went up to this point, that's a huge possibility. So I'm keeping it hush-hush. As much as I don't want to, I am keeping it hush-hush for now. However, everything I do in my videos, keep in mind it is for a reason, a very big reason coming up within the next year. Yeah, in about a year. Maybe just a tad more than a year, depending upon how everything falls out, or into place rather. But it's super excited, and honestly that's all I can think of right now. So it's kind of hard for me to to do a lot of these how-tos and things when all I want to do is tell you about what's going to be happening and what we're doing to get to that point. But it's okay. I figure if I tell you this, that everything we are doing is for a reason, then you will kind of know. Just keep in mind, we are recording our process. Everything that we are doing, we are recording it, and I figure it will help a lot of people. If not a lot, definitely some, and frankly, that's good enough for me. It's also the main reason we are recording it all is for us to look back and remember, you know, everything we went through to get to that point. And it's super important for us to be able to look back and be like, oh yeah, look where we were and where we are now. That's like huge. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be fantastically huge, and I honestly cannot wait to share with you guys. So I am using my new tripod, and it's actually really a lot better than my previous one. I went skimpy with my previous one. I paid, I think, $14.99 or something like that off Walmart.com for it. I thought from the picture it looked like it would have been a decent one to get me by until I could afford one of the really good ones that I wanted. But it would have been cheaper on me to just go to Walmart and get this one that I ended up getting yesterday. So I did pay, I think, $5 more, but with shipping and everything on the other tripod, this one came out to be cheaper. So, and it's better. It's sturdier. It's really nice, actually. It's got like the links and stuff to where you can move it and everything. I will take a picture and show you at the end of the video what my new tripod looks like, because it's awesome. And so yeah, kind of excited about that too. I'm actually starting to get my equipment. If you notice in the videos, I am trying to use more of my new camera. So I am learning it. It's a little bit of a learning curve for me. It's new. It's not one that I'm actually used to. And so there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve to it. But so far I'm really liking it. And we have our vacation coming up soon. So I will get to do a lot of vlogs for that week. You guys are going to love it. I'm like super excited about that. It's only a little whiles away, and so yeah, that's pretty cool. It's like I want to tell you, but my kids watch this vlog, so you know. We had previous plans for a different vacation, and those fell through. But this vacation for me is really cool. It's exciting, and I can't wait for it. I'm getting all kinds of stuff done for it. I'm sure you guys already know where we're going, honestly, but I'm trying not to fully say anything because my kids do watch this vlog, and I would like to keep a little bit of an air of surprise with that. It'll be fun for them, I think. It'll be fun for me, I know that. So, to end this one out, I will tell you that I am still working on the house. We have a lot of videos coming up, a lot. We are spring cleaning the house, so we are going through everything, and we are donating a lot of stuff because frankly, I am tired of the clutter. I want rid of this stuff. We live in a trailer and there's no room. We have one closet in this whole trailer, and with 3 teenagers, myself and my husband, we have grown into this house to where it feels like the walls are bursting. And I know that I have one graduating this year, and then I have one graduating next year, so it's not going to be like that forever, but for now it's just I need to clear some stuff out. So we're getting ready to sell some of our big stuff to make room, and we are also donating a lot of stuff. We're going through the master bedroom and we are decluttering. There is so much clothes that I have to go through. I cannot even explain to you how many clothes we have accumulated. And apparently we don't believe in giving things away because I still have a lot of clothes that nobody can actually wear anymore. So we are donating. We are going through everything. I'm getting everything rewashed because it kind of smells, you know, like it's been in storage for forever. So I'm washing everything, folding it, going through it, and deciding what we need to keep, which is not very much, and what we're going to donate, and get that stuff out of the house and not bring it back in. And we are also doing our master bedroom remodel next week. We are starting on that process and I am super excited about that. I do have quite a few how-tos in those videos coming up. So I'm going to break up the master bedroom redo into quite a few videos. It may end up actually being a couple weeks worth of videos, in all honesty. And then we'll do the final reveal of the entire bedroom after that. But I'm really excited. Changing things up. My husband and I are maybe going to make a bed because I can't find one that I'm willing to pay the price that they want for, because I'm cheap and it's just that easy. And I have stuff laying around the house and we don't have to put a lot of money into it to build it. So I can get pretty much the same thing, only more of what I want, for a whole lot less. And there will be a how-to, a two-part how-to actually, because I think the headboard's going to be a video all on its own, in all honesty. So yeah, I'm going to be reusing some things that we have and making something from something that we would normally just throw away. And I think you guys are really going to like it. I know I am. I do. I'm really excited about it. And so yeah, we'll put that together and kind of show you the process on that. Also the same with my desk. I couldn't find one. I found one I fell in love with. Absolutely loved it. Had it in my cart for forever online. And came time for me to actually pay for it, and again, it falls back to me being cheap. I didn't want to pay for it. It was a beautiful glass corner desk, and that's all it was just a piece of glass on top and just metal legs. Beautiful, beautiful desk. But I'm cheap, and I have a hard time paying even $150 for a piece of glass, and just a little bit of metal is for me too much. So I'm making my hubby make me a desk, and then I'm going to paint it. So there'll be some videos on that also. Yeah, but it's okay. I get what I want that way. Storage that one didn't have, etc, etc. So I didn't want to settle. I want what I want, and I don't want to pay a lot to get it. So there's other ways to get what you want. There really is. And if you're using stuff that you already have, or something that somebody else is going to throw away, or you know, something like that, it ends up being better anyway. And it's definitely going to be more sturdy. So it's going to be better all the way around. Sorry. I keep thinking I hear a vehicle coming. But so yeah, I hope everybody is enjoying their beautiful weekend. I do hear that we are supposed to be getting some more snow next week.